Oh, that sounded awesome. Oh shit. Feels like the rain's coming. It's getting windy. I think it's time to put on some rain gear. Looks like it's gonna hit. It seems like it's gonna get me cold too. Alright. Well, we're sitting down and putting on some rain gear. Nasty rain's coming up ahead. Well, not that direction, but the opposite direction. So it's like getting really windy. Let me turn around. Right there, guys. That's the big old rainstorm's coming in. It's gonna be here for like an hour and then it's gonna disappear. Oh, look at the muskrat. There's rain pressure coming. I don't know if the fish are gonna be moving. So I think I'm gonna pick up the jig because I feel like I'm gonna get a better jig bite than a spinnerbait bite for sure with this rain coming through. I don't know though. It can go either way. But I'm gonna take my chance on the jig. Okay, so with there being grass everywhere now, I'm gonna be throwing this like, in the water's like a 2-foot visibility. Be throwing this crazy looking bluegill thing around, seeing if I can get a bass with it. It's a DT6. Fishing it kind of shallow, not gonna lie, up in the grass. So I'm gonna of course get grass every cast, but it could be worth it. All right, made a move. Caught my first fish of the day, little guy. See you, bud. So I'm gonna keep you guys running from here on, because I feel like it's gonna get good. Another little guy. See you, bud. You wouldn't believe where I caught him. All the way back there at the very end of this pocket. There's a fish. Oh, I thought it was a fish. Dang stick. Man, I was gonna be like, that's the fish I need. That one's probably a keeper in a tournament, but for my tournament, not a keeper. Oh, we can say he's a keeper. He looks like a, no, he's not 15 inches. He's strong, big time. Well, at least he's a fun little guy to play with. See you, bud. Right on the secondary point. Just wish there was bigger. So it seems like the swim bait is working really well in the backs of the coves. Well, I don't know what works in the front of the coves quite yet. Heavy rain stops and I catch me a small fish again on a crankbait this time. I don't even know how the heck this happens. Catch a fish and then out of nowhere everything just, you get line tangled up front and then you get a bird's nest. And then your lure gets all knotted up with your line. But I'm using the DT4 Rapala shad color crankbait. Caught me a fish really fast. Oh, there's something that popped up right there. Let's just cast in there. There's a, oh, it came off. I think that was a fish. Rain's just finished. I think it's done this time, hopefully. Hopefully it doesn't start up for the 4th time today. That one, this last one was like really rough. Ooh, he ate it pretty good on the back end. Okay, he's the smallest of the day for sure. See you, bud. It's a nicer one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's my big one for the day. Holy shoot. Come on, get in there. Yes! 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 That's a 5-pounder. That is a 5. Can't tell me that's not a 5-pounder. Holy crap. That's what I've been needing, guys. Boom! He's big. Oh. Yes, sir. He was all the way in the back of the coves. Crankbait for the win. Crankbait for the win. Oh, yeah. I love having the net on me sometimes. That one was not flippable at all. Not flippable at all. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get a measure because I gotta get it for my online tournament on TourneyX. I was not expecting a fish this big out of here today. So you are 18 3/4. I'm actually kind of disappointed that he's only 3.7. I feel like my scale's off because I've been catching some 4s and that feels like a 4. Oh crap, let me get my phone set up real quick. Take a picture of him. All right, girl. She's good. Bye. He was right back. She was right back in there, in a very back of a cove. Oh my god. Definitely was not expecting a big one, but I'm like, this is where all my big fish have been coming from today, or all my fish, at least. Most of them. It's been coming in backs like this. And this is just a deeper spot, so I deserve that big one. At least it would make sense that the big one would be in here. There's a fish. That's a nice one. That's another nice one. Oh, he came off. He wasn't my keeper, but he was a keeper fish. He was definitely over 15 inches. But he's probably around 15, 16 would be my guess. So he wasn't like my keeper, but he was right where it's supposed to be, right on the secondary point. So that's cool to know that they are starting to bite where they're supposed to be biting. Now I wonder my first spot today might have some better luck. He ate it. He ate it. He's barely on. Yes! Third keeper of the day, we're looking at 10 pounds now. Okay. I'll measure you because you might be the size I'm looking for. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. I was not expecting him. I'm not gonna lie. I was not expecting this guy. But you know what? It's always awesome to see. About 2.5 pounds, so we're looking at 9.5 pounds for the day. I'll see you later, buddy. But he ate it right underneath the boat, which was insane. That's what scared me about it. Looks like my cranking season's over with. It broke. I got a big one on a crank. Big it on a crank. Big it on a crank. Big it on the crank. Big it on the crank. Oh shit. Come on, buddy. 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 Come on. Come on, I can't get you in. I can't get you in. Come on, there we go. Oh, just changed the crankbait in a new area that I've never been to before. Caught a giant again. Oh my gosh. This is just getting lucky today. Oh my gosh. I threw in a bluegill style crankbait this time because I lost my shad, or my shad broke on me actually. Oh, even the bluegill's working. They're just chasing today. After this rainstorm came through, this is getting fire, bro. Almost the exact same size as the first one. Wow. I'll see you, buddy. Thanks for biting. Oh, there she goes. You guys. Yes! This area probably has not been touched hardly at all this year. Since this is the farthest cove in the lake, the longest run it takes. And I decided to try since I'd never been back here before, and I had plenty of time to still do it. And I am not disappointed at all. Oh, that felt like a fish. Felt like I nicked something. There's a fish. That's a nice one. That's a big one. Big one. Big one. Big one. It's another big one. 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 Another big. Another big fish. He's diving down. Oh shoot! I can't flip him. I can't flip. Oh my gosh! Holy crap! We're at 16 pounds today, guys. Holy crap! And I was gonna flip it. He came up like he was gonna be able to be flipped, but he was just too heavy for me. Oh my goodness, how long are you? Yeah, I don't need an 18-incher. 3 1/4. I'm leaving the scale out at this time. Ooh, had to use it twice back here already, 3 times today. Oh, that just tells you how good we're gonna be doing. All right, girl. I'll see you later. Thanks for biting too. If this tells you anything, I'm right back at this brush pile where I put on something. I forgot what I did there, but I caught him all the way up there and I floated this far down the bank. That's crazy. I floated this far. That's a big one. Big one. Not a big one. He's smaller. He's smaller. Okay, he's gaining weight. He gained weight. Oh my gosh, flip! Let's go! Oh my gosh. Another big one! Another big one! Oh my gosh. I found the juice. I found the juice. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the juice. I'm ready for tournament season. This is it, guys. I found the juice. I literally found it. Get a measurement. But that flip, that flip was sketchy. He's got black spots on him. Pretty cool, honestly. Oh my gosh, I'm about to start out where I started out last time. This wind's so strong. Okay, bud. See how much you weigh. Oh, 3 pounds even. 3 pounds even. Dang. Just under 3. Well, you're 3 pounds even in my eyes. Oh my gosh, so I caught my 2-pounder, switched to a 3, so now I'm at 16 pounds of bass. See you, bud. Or see you, gal. Whatever. Oh, that's just fun as can be.